Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new amazing project video. So, in previous videos, I have uploaded many front-end projects. You can check out my channel Becodewala on YouTube and you can watch the tutorial, and you can also follow me on Instagram @Becodewala. So, now come to our project. See, here is my project and the name of project is product card. So you can see here with a beautiful hovering animation our product card. When I hover on it, see its background changes and it rotates to some degree, and button also appear from down, you can see here. So like that we have made our. So to make this beautiful card design, we are going to use HTML and CSS. So come to our VS Code. So here is my HTML file. So one thing I will show you. So here I'll on my internet. I'll show you one thing. So wait a second. Let me connect the internet 1 minute. It's not coming. Yeah, it's connected. So when I refresh it, I'll show you one thing. See, this card, this icon is coming. You can see that icon on my web page. So this icon I have added card icon. You can see here when I hover on it with buy now option. See, when I hover on buy now option, a beautiful background glow. See, you can see, and this icon. So to make this beautiful card hover effect, come to our VS Code. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. So come to our HTML file. Here I have written the basic structure of this HTML. You can write the basic structure of HTML by pressing this marks. I will show you. You can press this mark and enter. After doing this explanation mark, you can press enter. When you press enter, it will give the basic structure of HTML in VS Code. So now here I have linked my CSS file. You can see here my CSS file. So that I have linked. Here is the font awesome CSS link, so that I'll use that card icon. For using that, I have taken font awesome CSS link, and here I have title product card. So we are going to make product card. So I have written title product card. So here in body tag, taken a div with class card, and in this div I have taken image, and this is the image of my shoe, and here I have taken width 200 pixel. Then Here is another div with class name. Here I have written the shoe name Nike 68, and one more div I have taken with class price, and here I have taken the $60, and one more div for button buy now, and with this icon cart shopping. So you can see here I will show you for this image, this Nike, this $60, this buy now and cart option. So for that we have taken, so come to our VS Code. So now we go for styling. So in styling I have taken the margin 0, padding 0, and font family open sans and sans serif for our page. So in body tag I have taken this color code and height 100 VH and display flex and align it and should be center and justify content should be center. Now we go for our class card. So in class card I have taken 300 pixel width, height 500 pixel with this, and with this background color code and position relative, and overflow I have taken hidden so it will hide the overflow, and border radius 20 pixel, and a box shadow from all sides with this color code for our card. So now the image, for image which is present in our card, so for that we are going to style here width 175 pixel and position absolute, and from left 50%, sorry, to be in center, and translate x minus 50% from x, and top minus 5%, and you just select none. So now we go for card v4 for styling. So here first of all content I have taken nothing, it should be infinity, and background color code this, and position absolute, and from top minus 14 pixel, and width 100%, and height 50%, and transform skew 155 degree, and then go for transition. For that transition I have taken 0.3 second easy out. When you hover in it, it will come easy out animation by skewing 155 degree, and card hover before minus 10% from top, and transform skew plus 200 degree. So when I hover on it, see it's rotating, you can see. So for that now card after, so in card after I have taken content Nike, and position absolute, and left 50% and top 87%, and transform translate minus 50% from horizontal and verticals I have taken, and then font size 75 pixel, the color of the text, this color text I have taken, and font weight 900. So show you this Nike, or this Nike text I have taken. So now for text, position relative, and now for name and price. So here position absolute for the price NM and 50% from there and from top. So that Nike I have shown you, this is here, this Nike you can see in background, here in background, here, see here I'll show you, see here in the background Nike you can see a little bit black one here behind the this button. So for that Nike we have done here, and now for Nike, this Nike we are going for this text Nike 6A. So for that we are doing this. So here color code for Nike text, this and width fit content and Z index 9 and font weight 20 pixel. So now for price, so price 76 and position relative. Now for our button, so you can see here the button. By now for that we are going to design, so width 150 pixel and height 45 pixel and a background color you can see this color, and for the text color I have taken this, and position I have taken absolute and left 50% and transform translate text minus 50% and top 100% and border radius 30 pixel, and then display I have taken flex align item center and justify content center so that it will be in center, and font size 17 pixel and transition 0.3 second easy in out, and cursor when I pointer on it then that time it will show, and then index 2 and transition 0.5 second easy in out. So now for button I, for our icon card, for margin left 15 pixel and a color or our card, you can see the card or the color, see this card color, for that you have design. So any hover on button top 85%, sorry, hover on card, any hover on card it will be on top 45% it will take, any hover on this card, see hover it become top. So when you hover on button the back shadow will be 0 pixel 20 pixel and this color code. So when you hover on button it will show a box shadow like this, you can see here a glowing effect. So this how we can make our beautiful card like this. So hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to share with your friends. So thanks for watching, we'll meet in next video with an amazing project.